On August 11, 2025, officers responded to a Commerce Bank branch. A man tried to cash a cashier's check. The bank already knew it was counterfeit before they arrived. 2 people, 2 new accounts, 2 cashier's checks issued, 1 came back fake. That pattern is not coincidence. It points to a coordinated scheme, and it forms the core of probable cause in this case.
That 4B route 1019 for equipment.
So what are you doing here today with this? What are you trying to do?
My landlord gave me the check back because I guess he changed his mind about letting me move in. So I was trying to cash my check.
Who's your landlord?
My phone in the car, that's why I was stepping out to get my phone.
Where you live at?
I stayed down on 601 West Romeo. Yeah. You don't remember talking to me?
So you're saying he gave you this check back?
Excuse me. I'll grab something.
Sir, I'm just trying to get my rent paid.
Forging checks is a pretty serious offense, buddy.
Man, I know, man. I wouldn't do nothing like that, bro. Like.
So tell us who you got from.
Malachi Alexander.
Give us his phone number.
Can I get out of my car?
Where's your car at?
My phone is right there. My ride, right outside. So.
Okay. I don't know how to stop this fake or not.
Well, it's you present.
This is our paper stock.
Okay.
Yeah, that's not ours.
And a different Commerce Bank wouldn't have a blue one?
No.
Okay.
And this is our routing number.
Yep.
So you saying he gave me the wrong check back?
A fake one. Not wrong. Fake.
Bro, that's playing with my life, bro. Like, I can't do that. And so,
But they would not make him the remitter.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah.
So,
This is,
so
can you
my,
come to the back with me for a moment?
so my money
Okay.
gone?
So
I'm trying to get, like, what's they saying going on? So my money's, like...
well, tell me what's going on with the check, because I mean, clearly you've dealt with it. You've seen the original check, what it looks like. So what's this check?
I thought that was the original check. That's what I...
Right now, no. Why? Who are you?
That's my ride.
You do me a favor, grab his phone.
Can you grab my phone, please?
What is the check? Where'd you get it from?
I got it from here. And then I turned it to my landlord. It was for first month and last month's rent.
Do you have any proof that you gave him the check and that he gave you this one back? I mean, you see where we're coming from, right? I mean, you have a completely different looking check that you have.
It different, sir. I see what's going on.
And then now you have,
and that's playing with my life.
and then with around, and then wait, and then around the same time frame, you both go and open up a bank account here.
Any of that. I never knew he was doing any of that.
He goes and cashes his cashier check. You get a cashier check, and then now that cashier check is missing, and then now you come back with a falsified cashier check.
The Fourth Amendment requires probable cause for an arrest, a reasonable belief. A crime occurred, and this person committed it. The Supreme Court in Illinois versus Gates established the totality of circumstances test. No single fact is enough. The full picture is what counts. Counterfeit instrument, coordinated account activity, and a story that collapses under basic questioning. Taken together, every element of the probable cause standard is satisfied. The subject's story landlord canceled the lease. Return the check was plausible in theory. In practice, none of it held. He could not produce the landlord's phone number after scrolling 3 pages of call logs. He gave 2 different addresses for himself. The rental address he named does not exist as a residential property in that area. An officer who knows the neighborhood recognized it immediately. No phone number. No verifiable address. No lease. No texts. Nothing. A genuine fraud victim would have something. He had nothing.
So why would I do that? Right.
You get what I'm saying?
I get what you're saying, but why would I come in here and do that?
Grab his number. I can't tell you right now. If you want, you can go sit down in the chair.
Just wait. How would they play me like that? How would they play me like that? Oh my God.
Say he's your landlord, so
He would have been, but I guess he changed his mind.
Okay.
So he gave me the check back.
Okay. So how did you find the place?
Find what place?
The place to rent out that you wanted.
To a friend. It was on Peoria Street.
Okay. So what's the address?
So you saying he sent me
So what's the address for the place?
1210, I think, Peoria Street.
Okay. So what was this original R.B. Garrett Street that you just gave us?
That's where I was moving out of.
Well, we asked you the place that you were trying to move into, and then you gave us that
No,
R.B. Garrett address.
That's
So-
where I stay now.
So which address is it? Because you're giving us two different answers now.
I stay in this R.B. Garrett.
Mm-hmm.
That's where I'm at now. And where I was moving to was on Peoria Street. So I don't be bro. This is wild. Is it? So ain't nothing I could do.
So you're saying the address is
1210 Peoria Street, I believe. So I'm not sure.
Well-
It's all in my paperwork at the house.
okay. Well, if this is a house you're supposed to be moving into, I mean, you got to have something of paperwork. You got to, maybe you should know the address because you're trying to move into it.
It's 1210 Peoria Street.
Well, it can't be 1210 Peoria Street because that's right off Pennsylvania, and Pennsylvania is right in front of the hospital, and there's nothing but work buildings around there. There's no apartments. There's no
It's right across.
house.
Can I talk to the manager, please?
What manager? What for? You just went and talked to her. She called us.
Because I just want to see what's going on, like what she's saying. That
You brought in a fraudulent check. Okay.
Why would
Well,
I do that, sir?
well, it can't be 1210 North Peoria because that address doesn't even exist. So, what's the address of this place? Because you don't have the landlord's number. You don't have any of his information. You don't have the house that you're apparently trying to use this money for, or apartment.
So basically, you saying like I just got played.
What I'm saying is you made a fraudulent check and you brought it in, trying to get money. You should have his information. If you're not the one that brought in this fraudulent check, or
gave me the wrong information.
okay, what do you mean gave you the wrong information?
He gave me the wrong address, wrong phone number. Like I see what's going on now. I definitely see what's going
There's nothing about the wrong address, wrong phone number. It's about you brought in a fraudulent
on.
check,
I know. I see what's going on.
and that's what I'm saying. Where'd you get the check from?
Yeah.
Okay, so if he's the one that gave you a fraudulent check, what's his phone number? Where's his address? What's the address of the place you were trying to get into?
That's the address I got.
Have you went out and seen this place?
No, sir. I see what's going on. She just said he made an account here. Like, I just got played. That's basically what just happened. Like,
Well, I need you to find his information.
I need to
Well, the
get
arms
on.
all in those, right?
Right now, no. Right now, you're a suspect to this, so I need you to give me this guy's information if you didn't do anything. You have text messages with this person. Something with social media.
All phone calls. And I only met him one time.
Okay. Well, you said you got the information on this place that's for rent through a friend. So, who's this friend?
And it just told me about slum landlord. Slum landlord.
Okay, so who's the friend that told you about it?
I can give you that information in a second.
Who you calling?
I'm over right outside.
Well, don't worry about calling them.
I'm trying to get the paperwork.
No, don't worry about that. We can get to that point.
They just played me, babe. I know they just played me. I'm trying to, he's trying to get the dude number and information of the landlord. If I could get all that, then,
We probably need a call started after this, right?
I never dealt with one.
Yeah, I got a lot of info. I just don't know what to do with it.
Like, okay, here, lay it on me. What do you got?
Clearly forged signature. Clearly fake check.
Sit tight.
Clearly fake.
Yeah.
I talked to a corporate investigation supervisor.
Mm-hmm.
They deal with this all the time.
Yeah.
They make a fake check, try to get cash.
Yeah.
So
I mean,
I just don't know what to do with him.
well, I mean, as a And right now we have a frauds unit, I want to say. So, give me, I'm going to call Sergeant real quick. Let's see, because this is the first time. Sit down. Listen, you haven't been able to give me a person, phone number, the correct address, proof of anything with any of this. Like, you haven't been able to give me anything of what you're saying, and you're beating around the bush, scrolling around your phone, not even looking at anything that's related to it. You just started giving me a number. This whole time you scrolled at least 3 pages on your phone call log trying to give me a phone number, and you haven't been able to this whole time. All right?
Let's look on. Put in the car.
Yeah. Of course, call Sarge after. Just hang on to that. Here, for right now, stand up. Okay. You got anything else inside your pockets?
No, sir.
Okay, here. Let me see your phone.
Take the phone.
What?
Hey, behind your back.
Just go and turn around.
Turn around. We're detaining you for right now. We're gonna do this out of the public. Okay. We're gonna handle this privately, so that we're not in everyone's business for now.
Right now, you're just detained. We're going to figure everything else out. I just want to get us out of here, okay? There, just take a seat.
Sir, please.
Just wait a second, all right? Watch your knee.
Yeah.
I got a fraudulent check up here at Commerce Bank. We got the guy here. He's just throwing out a fake story about an apartment and this other guy that had also opened up a bank account here. They both took out checks right after they opened the accounts, and now he brought back this fake one. Sarge just said to give you a call, see if you guys wanted to come down and talk to him and handle him, or if you just wanted me to just go ahead and go through with it.
No, I would just follow through with it, collect the check, get the video footage of him being there, if you can, without a search warrant.
Okay.
And is it down on Main Street?
On Main Street, yeah.
Yeah. And, just obviously, if he's already giving you guys a story, did you already Mirandize him?
No, he just started spilling everything about, why he's got the check and everything, and we didn't even really ask him any questions.
Yeah, I would just do that and keep moving forward.
All right, sounds
Just
good.
go ahead and Mirandize him, talk to him, collect the check, and cinch it up however you see fit.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Yep, bye.
Never mind. Right now, listen. Hey, this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna send you out for what I can, for what I have on it. Just listen, okay? I'm gonna contact Tazewell County, and let me explain the reason on why this might actually. It's not nothing. Of this is gonna help, but it might quote unquote help. Okay, just bear with me. I'm gonna send you for what I have for just this. Okay. After that, Tazewell County, if they confirm this warrant, you'll go out to Tazewell for whatever that warrant is. That'll give myself and our detectives enough time to follow up with him, hopefully, and figure out if it was him involved or you and him, or get more information on top of it. That way, if you are clear-cut free, the charges and everything can be dropped. Right now, there's nothing on my side that I can do, okay? I've already talked to the detectives. They want you to go out, okay? We have enough probable cause off of it to make an arrest. Okay, instead of giving you a notice to appear, they want you to go out to county today. Okay, I can't. Listen. The second I call detectives, because this is their portion of it, because I have enough on my side. I've done the detective work before they can get here. They have enough on our side that they said they want the arrest to be made.
Now the Fifth Amendment. The subject volunteered his entire cover story before being questioned, before being detained, before Miranda was ever mentioned. Rhode Island versus Innis held that spontaneous statements not triggered by questioning fall outside Miranda's protection. What he said freely is likely admissible. The problem came when the handcuffs went on. Custody attached at that moment. From that point forward, questioning requires a Miranda warning first. Berkemer versus McCarty drew the line clearly. Custody plus interrogation equals Miranda. The officers did not self-initiate. The sergeant had to catch it on the phone. Any statements taken after handcuffing and before the warning are exposed to suppression. That is a gap the prosecution will need to account for. On the forgery charge, presenting a known forged instrument for payment is called uttering. The bank confirmed the check was counterfeit. Both elements, knowledge and act, are documented. Deceptive practices requires a knowing false representation with intent to obtain money. Walking a fake check to a teller window satisfies that standard completely. Evidence collection was handled correctly. The sergeant directed the seizure of the check, and ordered surveillance footage preserved no warrant needed. Under the third-party doctrine, the bank holds an ownership interest in its own security footage. Officers requesting it from the bank do not need a search warrant to do so. The subject was arrested and charged with deceptive practices and forgery. Post-arrest disposition is unknown at the time of this analysis. Officers receive a B+. The field investigation was structured and methodical. They dismantled the cover story through focused questioning, not pressure or coercion. They identified the coordinated account pattern, consulted supervision before arresting, and kept their composure throughout. That is professional investigative work. The deduction comes from Miranda timing. Once handcuffs are on, a trained officer should not need a supervisor to recognize custody has attached. The subject receives a C-. No physical resistance credit for that, but the cover story offered no corroboration, and his conduct on the phone was revealing. If he was genuinely scammed, the path was full cooperation. Every contact, every message, every detail about the alleged landlord. The footage shows the opposite. That absence, paired with the account activity pattern, left investigators with little room to interpret this charitably. The supervising sergeant receives an A-. The phone call was precise. He caught the Miranda gap, directed lawful evidence collection, authorized the arrest cleanly. 3 takeaways. Miranda timing is not optional the moment custody attaches. The clock starts. Do not wait for supervision to flag it. Financial crime cases depend on documentation secured fast. Seize the instrument. Lock the surveillance footage. Build the chain of custody immediately. The totality of circumstances standard rewards patient, fact-by-fact investigation. Officers who build their case methodically give prosecutors something solid to work with. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like covered in the comments. Thank you for watching, and check out Street Bodycam for more content.